So today I'm going to be showing you Animal Crossing New Horizons. I've already played it a bit because I want to see if it was good or bad, and it's good. So you're going to need these two controllers. You can only get on the Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to design my dress. I'm going to make a Moon Miss Movie dress. I'm going to use some dark blue. Then you press the wrong button. I'm going to keep editing it. So I'm going to do my dress like this. Just going to make the whole dress blue in a random pattern. Down, up, down, around. So this might take a while, so I'm going to pause the video and finish making the dress blue, and then I'm going to show you making the rest of the dress. Now on a small pen, so now I'm going to go to white at the top and write Moon Miss Movies. Actually, I'm going to use yellow to get a moon. That's our moon. I'm going to white and I'm going to write So I switched it around to the other side. So now I'm just going to cover the black back in blue. But I chose a big square this time, so it will go really fast. I don't have to do it in like tiny little incy squares. So that is my dress, and I'm done with it. So now I'm gonna call it Moon Miss Movie dress. So I'm gonna make my girl wear it. She looks beautiful. Here is an extra look of the final results of the dress in case you want to make it by yourself. So that is how you make a custom dress in Animal Crossing New Horizons. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Bye!